Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this tutorial video. Today we did a model in Abaqus about the high and low velocity impact response of the glares. Here this is a paper which studied the low velocity impact, and you can see here the content of the paper and the material method step and load and track anything. So here, in the first case, we did the high velocity impact. And you can see here, this is the rigid projectile with a mass. And this is the glare. Here we have glass fiber layer and cohesive interaction between the layers. And if I click on animate, you can see this is the animate of the simulation. You can see it is filled completely, all the parts. Glare model. If I click on this, you can see here, let me check it. In this view, uh, or this view. And also you can see the delamination here, see? The cohesive element loses stiffness between the layers and the separation happen. If I click again here, you can see the deformation here. And now I can check the XY data. First let me remove the rigid body in XY view. Here we can check the damage criteria. Let me remove this here. Other damages, compression for the fiber, tension for the fiber, matrix, and also we can check the result section point pile. We can check it for the last pile here. It is different, and we can check the other like this. If I click on animate, you can see the deformation and the damages. Okay, let me again remove the rigid part, check the damage criteria, replace this part, the damage for the metal layer and the front layer. This is the back view, and J. Johnson hook damage, plastic strain, stress, or anything else. So this is the high velocity impact, but in the low velocity impact it is different. See here we have the resistance. Let me remove this resistance against the projectile impact here. In this view, let me check it. Here again, the deformation cause loose stiffness of the cohesive element here, or cohesive interaction, and the separation happen. And here we have again damages, stress in XY view. Let me remove this, check the damage for the matrix, tension, compression, tension for the compression for the fiber, and tension for the fiber. And we can check the other damages like this, replace it. You can see, let me remove this. Okay, So this is the model of the high velocity and low velocity impact on the glare composite system here. See that? This is the glare composite system. Fiber laminate and fiberglass mixed, and we can request, for instance, reaction forces for the boundary zone for this simulation. And here, from the history output, we can uh, extract that here. For instance, the reaction force for all points. For one node, you can see it is the reaction force, but you can sum all the nodes. So, if we need to model high and low velocity impact of a glare system, you can come to our website here, abaqusfm.com. Find the English tutorial here. Click on title or blue sign, then you will have the title, part definition, assembly, introduction, then the step and load, and then the result as figures. You can see here. You can provide CAE IMP English video file and paper as the reference. For 30 euros, you can use a PayPal, Visa, or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, contact me to this email. We have also a full package. This is the full package, contains 400, more than 400 tutorials, and it includes all the things that you need in all fields, in mechanical, civil, I don't know, magnetic, anything. As you can see, the main titles here, and there are many subtitles in this main titles here. So if you want to buy this full package to be master in modeling and simulation Abaqus, you can provide it for an affordable price. Just contact me to this email to tell you about the price and the content of this package. Thank you for your attention.